I'm wearing sunglasses at nighttime because I am tired and I feel that I look like shit. So, hello, hi, I hope you're doing well. I don't know, can I get my fingers out of frame? That's weird. Can I just hold it like this? Okay, palm it. Speaking of palming, no, never mind. Children, close your eyes, shut your ears if you do not want to know what your parents are doing in the other room. Hey, that's right. They're either doing it or killing each other. They sound the same. Am I the only one? Yeah, I am. So I grew up watching TV, as most people do, but I grew up watching a lot of stuff that I probably shouldn't have at the age that I did. I grew up with a brother that is 7 years older than me, and I have pretty young parents who were sort of kids themselves, which honestly was a lot of fun. But you know, I saw some movies and TV shows that have, I would say molded the way that I see the world and my sense of humor. True Lies, though, Jamie Lee Curtis, holy fuck, that was intense for my little 5-6-year-old self. Like that scene, if you've seen that movie, you know what I'm talking about. You know what I'm talking about. I wanted to see if my theory was correct, so I asked my sister to ask her plethora of friends. By plethora, I mean a million friends. She literally just went on a trip for New Year's with 20 people. Can you imagine going anywhere with 20 people? Can you imagine knowing 20 people? I don't think I have even 20 acquaintances. I mean, now I do because I met them. But I met Monica's friends. But other than that, dude, my social circle is whew. I got into a room full of strangers, very friendly strangers, but nonetheless, I said, listen to this audio and tell me what kind of scene you think it is, and it was awkward and fun, and I enjoyed it. So, big thank you to everyone who participated. You made this video possible, and you made science happen. So, good for you. For obvious reasons, I cannot show any of the clips that I used in this video, but if you want to be a little freak and look up these clips yourself, you can, because in the description box I will name every TV show and movie that we used. I won't say whether it's a death scene or sex scene. Well, fuck, Seth scene. You'll just have to figure that out for yourself. Last announcement, wear headphones, or not, but good luck explaining. But if you're a kid, kindly do not give me a view and click off this video. Thank you. And parents, don't get mad at me. You should be watching your kids. You should be watching your kids. It's not my problem, okay? This is the internet. It's a scary, scary, bad place. Okay, thank you. Bye. Thank you.
I'm Cole.
I'm Jackie.
I'm Carolyn.
And I'm Emma.
Hi, I'm Jamie.
I'm Luke.
I'm Allison.
I'm Chris.
Hello, my name is Mari Barrios, and I am 24 years old.
Me? Oh, I'm Chris Pickleneck. 25.
Sup? I'm Brandon Luna, and I am 50.
Oh yeah.
Damn straight.
I'm Ryan.
Hi, I'm Elise.
I'm Nora.
Thank you guys for being here today.
Of course.
Yeah.
So
excited.
Basically, I'm just gonna give you audio of a death scene or a spicy scene, and just from that, you're gonna guess which one it is.
Okay,
Is this all from movies?
TV shows, yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Collectively,
I feel like I'm gonna
truly.
Not gonna lie, but I feel like I'm gonna do good.
Ready?
Okay.
How's this for an icebreaker, by the way?
Yeah, right. Beautiful.
Okay, are you ready?
Literally
Yeah.
getting straight into it.
Okay.
Okay.
Death.
That's gotta be it.
Oh, wait.
That felt real. No, that felt relief towards the
That
end.
felt real.
Yeah, the sweet relief of
That
death.
I'm
I can
gonna say
replay it.
no. I'm good.
No, that's
That's a
frisky.
death.
That's frisky.
death.
No, that's a
No,
death
no, no,
scene.
no.
that's
That
death.
is definitely an intimacy scene.
Death.
Intimacy.
Death.
I think it's death.
I feel like that was sex.
I think it's
No.
death.
I
think it was
it's gotta be
death.
death. It's
It was
gotta
death.
be death.
I don't
That
know.
felt like a fat load.
Yeah, I could.
You guys, you say whatever you want. That was like straight up like from Halo death.
No,
Yes,
that was
it
like
was.
that was like a fat load.
Whoa.
Careful, school appropriate.
Oh, is it? Yeah.
Right off the bat, sex scene.
Sexy?
I was
Sexy.
gonna say death.
I'm
I
gonna
think
say
it's a
death.
death.
That was some beautiful, beautiful lovemaking.
Okay, that's disgusting. Chris?
Oh, that was death.
That was some good old fashioned sex.
It is a sex scene. Dennis.
It was Dennis. Okay. Oh.
Have you seen it?
What?
Sex scene. It's Always Sunny in Philadelphia.
What did I say?
Nice nature sounds.
Okay,
Wait,
well, that
what-
has
What
to be.
was that?
You didn't. Wait. Okay, that
That's pretty obvious. It's sex.
Wait,
was that last bit like connected or?
That's sex.
can we
Sex.
do that one more time? Sorry.
Okay, so there were bird noises.
Do you know what it is? The fact that it's so obviously a sex scene makes me think that it's a death scene.
Why are you guys like into it? Stop.
You guys are so focused. You're definitely the most focused.
Yeah.
But also, like that girl moan was very like.
I know, but
Oh.
I'm afraid. I'm
If
afraid.
it was a death, they'd be like, oh.
I'm afraid they're trying to like throw a curveball.
Yeah.
I know.
Outside voice. Yeah. Wasn't there?
I
Oh.
heard like a guy voice and a girl voice.
Yeah.
Two voices. Good work.
No, it's sex. It's sex.
Oh god.
It's sex. You hear the jackhammer in the back? There's a jackhammer in the back. It's sex. It's sex. It's sex.
Okay, you're going with sex.
I'm going with sex.
I'm
just
going
gonna go
with death.
again. I don't know.
Death?
I think it's a sex scene.
Okay.
I think
There's
it's a
no.
sex scene as
I
well.
don't know. Wait. Like it just sounds way.
I'm
I'm gonna
gonna
say death.
Okay.
That was sex.
That was
Sex. Yeah.
Sex.
gonna say sex scene.
Me too.
Sex. Yeah.
Death scene, Sailor Moon.
Oh!
It's like a gardener.
Oh!
It is a death scene, Sailor Moon.
Oh my
All right,
god!
super deep.
What?
Let's go. Come on,
I've
let's
been
go.
on twice.
What is
already.
that?
What show?
Sailor Moon.
I love
Now
Sailor
that
Moon.
makes sense.
Okay.
A death scene.
What?
Sailor Moon. Some gardener dies. Death scene, Sailor Moon.
What is Sailor
It's
Moon?
like a gardener. What?
Is it a
Sailor
movie?
Moon. No, that's an anime.
Oh.
Yeah.
Wow.
They were good voice actors then.
Yeah. It's surprising me.
Okay, I think I have a strategy now, actually.
Have you seen that show?
I like anime, but I'm not a big Sailor Moon fan. I mean, I respect its importance in the culture, but like.
Oh yeah, that's like that was like an anime like. Yeah.
Oh,
I get it. You know, she
yeah,
was
you're
like.
right.
like
That's
you know,
what
I
I
get
was
it.
gonna
Like,
say. It was like
I
one
get
of
it,
those
I
like.
get it.
Yeah,
Wait, what?
like you know what I'm talking about?
No, say it again.
It's like,
Yeah, but
yeah, what the-
Okay, sorry.
That's all you got.
One more time.
I just keep wanting to say sex.
Death. That's obvious. That's death. 100%.
Death.
I mean, it sounds like a sex scene, but I feel like you guys are trying to throw us off, so I think it's a death scene.
I'm gonna say death too because the last two times
I was wrong.
I was wrong,
So
yeah.
I'm not going off of instinct.
I'm just gonna go off Jackie because
She's
it
right.
sounds like
Same.
shock. It doesn't sound like pleasure. It sounds like shock.
I feel like that was death.
I feel like that was.
Death.
I want to
Death.
say sex, but I think it was death. I think. It's
Death.
This one has to be death. You've given us two.
I'm gonna say death.
Yeah, I'm gonna say death.
I
Yeah.
feel like she's bleeding out. I don't know.
Well, which way?
What kind of?
Oh my god.
Death, death, death.
All of your death? Or what's yours? Chris?
Sex.
All of your right. Death scene. Death scene.
Oh yes.
Scary stories to tell in the dark.
Oh, I watched that movie.
Death scene.
Woo!
Scary stories to tell in the dark.
The pimple girl?
Spider-Man.
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah. Oh, it's when she's checking it for the first time, no, in the bathroom?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Death scene. Scary stories to tell in the dark.
Oh, I've seen that movie too.
It's a spider chick.
Oh.
She's poking at her.
Ew, I hate that.
Yeah, it was so fucking big.
Sounds like Voldemort.
Wait, that was it?
No, it's still going.
Still going.
Exhale.
So fucking weird.
Yeah, like, was that fucking it? God, what is that?
And
It's the weirdest sex.
Your man ain't you're like that.
If someone's breathing in my ear like that. makes
No,
sense.
I would be like,
I would straight up get up and leave.
No.
And we're done.
Sex.
Ooh.
Sex.
That would
Yeah.
scare me if that happened to me personally, but yeah, sex.
I think the other guys said that they were like, God, if he was in my ear doing that,
Yeah,
they'd be like,
no,
get
mama,
off.
get out.
I want to say sex just because men be stupid and someone would do that.
Yeah,
I believe
that's what I was
that's
thinking
it.
too. Is like it's some fucking weird pattern.
No, some guy would absolutely be like, I can't make noise. I can't enjoy this.
Yeah.
That's
Or it's like that one guy that like that to the song.
Tip for the guys: give the girls some feedback.
Tip for the guy.
Yes, Brady, thank you.
A death in space. I'm gonna say a sex scene.
I'm also gonna say sex, a little ghosty sex or something.
I think it's.
I think it's a death scene.
I think
it's death because I feel like it's like his body may be dead, but
like he's like his spirit is.
yeah,
leaving.
like he's like his eyes are.
I'm gonna go with death on this one. It's a little too.
I'm gonna say sex.
No, what? I'm gonna change it to sex. I feel like this is a thriller.
Death.
Okay. It's a death scene. Zombieland, Bill Murray.
Okay.
Oh, rip.
Death scene.
Oh.
Bill Murray in Zombieland.
Oh.
Oh no, that's so true. I remember that exactly because he's so dramatic about it. Yeah. Oh my God, that's so funny.
Death scene. Bill Murray in Zombieland. Yeah. It is a death scene.
Thank God.
Bill Murray in Zombieland.
Okay, alright.
Never ever.
I get it. It's
I
after.
have never been more glad to be wrong.
It's right. Fuck! It's right after.
It was like when he's in the scene.
Yeah, it's right after when they're like, "Do you have any regrets?" Garfield, and then he's like,
Yeah.
"Fuck!
Yep.
Fuck! I could
Better
have."
luck next time.
Who was
That
that?
sounds like death.
Sex. Absolutely. 100%.
What?
No question.
How?
Sex.
Yeah,
Is this He-Man?
That's a good guess, though.
sounded like Skeletor.
It did.
He-Man, you've ruined my plot of conquering pussy.
Oh my God, Britt.
Oh, that's it? Okay.
That could be robot sex.
Yeah.
I was thinking, is this like Edward
you know what?
Scissorhands like sex?
I think
Like
it's sex.
Futurama, like kind of like.
Oh. That's a good.
That makes yeah.
That's gotta
Sex.
be death. I heard a squelch.
Oh, sorry.
Sex.
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 Sex. 100%.
I'm just gonna say sex.
I honestly forgot what it sounds like already, so I'm gonna go with Ryan on that one. I'm gonna say sex scene. I'm
I
still
can
gonna
see
say
it.
death though, because
I know I am kind of leaning.
I'm gonna say sex.
gonna
I
say
think
sex.
I heard the robots and I think it's robot sex.
I'm gonna go with sex. I feel like he got interrupted.
Chris,
Let's say sex.
Mari,
I'm gonna go with a death scene.
death scene. Okay.
Death.
Sex scene. Coneheads.
Do you guys know?
Do you guys know
What?
Coneheads?
I've never seen that.
It's
So
fucking
far, nobody
terrifying.
has seen that movie. They're aliens.
They are aliens.
It's with what's that guy?
So it's alien sex?
Yeah, it's aliens. No, alien and human.
Oh my God, they're gonna make a hybrid.
Sex scene. Coneheads.
Yeah.
What
is it?
Coneheads?
What is it?
Coneheads?
It's yeah! So I was
Yeah.
right. It was a sex scene. It was a robot sex scene.
You were wow.
Wait,
you're
what
like
was the
right
name
on
of
mine.
the
Coneheads.
Coneheads? Oh, I've never
Maybe
seen
Terrified
something
me as a
about me.
child.
Yeah.
Sex scene. Coneheads.
Oh! Never seen that movie.
Oh, you have?
No, I know it's an SNL film.
Sex scene.
Yay.
Coneheads. Coneheads. You guys know that?
I've heard of it, I've never seen it though.
Well, I hear like someone like
hitting like
Yeah,
bed
it sounds like a
sheets or
bed's
something.
moving.
Yeah.
Right.
Can I hear it one more time?
Yeah, one
Just
more.
wait, do it again. Yeah.
Death.
Death.
100%.
Death.
That's a death.
That's death.
She's running.
That's a
Death?
death.
That's death.
That's death.
I feel like that has to be a sex scene.
Okay.
You know what? Just to go against you,
It's not.
okay. That is a death scene.
I'm gonna say death too.
I'm gonna say
There's a
death.
scene like that.
Death.
Death.
I'm gonna agree with Jackie.
Yeah. I'm gonna say sex death scene.
Death scene, Train to Busan.
Yeah. That's a death.
It is a death scene. Train to Busan. It's a zombie. Transforming.
Oh, yeah.
Best zombie movie. ever,
I think so. It's on Netflix.
Better than Dawn of the Dead?
I haven't seen that one. I've seen
Classic.
Shaun of the Dead.
Shaun of the Dead.
Shaun of the Dead.
Isn't like the sheep?
Huh?
The sheep.
Shaun the Sheep?
Yeah.
It's got nothing to do with Shaun the Sheep. It's just a guy named Shaun.
I thought it was.
And it's British, so I
Yeah.
guess.
Okay, well then never mind.
Death scene, Train to Busan.
Yes. Fool.
It's a zombie transforming.
Ah.
Yes. It is a death scene, Train to Busan.
Oh shit.
Oh,
That movie got
Yeah.
made
Is
me
it like bad
sob.
horror?
That made me cry.
That movie made me cry for like an hour.
Good movie.
Yeah, literally violently sobbing.
Yeah.
Especially when the little girl was singing at the end.
But yeah.
That's sex. That's sex.
Wow.
All right. Sex.
Death.
Sex.
Death.
I'll say death.
I'm gonna go with sex scene.
Okay.
I'll go sex.
Sex.
I'm gonna say death again.
Death.
Yeah. I'm gonna go against the least and Of say course sex. you are.
I'm also gonna say sex.
I'm gonna stick with sex.
I'm gonna
Okay.
say sex. Death.
It's death.
Death scene, Teen Wolf.
Yeah.
Ooh.
Your strategy.
Yeah, like that.
Falling apart here.
See, I felt like that one was like a little too obvious.
But I guess it wasn't.
I guess it was.
Death scene, Teen Wolf.
Damn, what?
Okay, it is a death scene, Teen Wolf.
Ooh, which one?
Allison?
I knew it. Oh my god.
Death scene, Teen Wolf.
Yes.
Elise, you're
Fools.
just so good.
Sex.
That has to be
It
sex.
has to be sex.
Cole.
I think that's death.
Someone running in the wilderness.
That is the movie.
I'm gonna go with sex scene again. Me too.
I'm gonna
I
go-
agree with you
I'm
on
gonna
this
go
one.
death.
I'll say sex scene.
Okay.
I'll say sex.
Sex.
Death.
Sex.
Sex.
Okay.
Sex.
Sex scene, The Walking Dead, Laurie and Shane.
Oh. Okay.
Sex scene, The Walking Dead,
Oh.
Laurie and Shane.
Oh yeah! I remember that.
In the wilderness.
Wait.
So.
Oh, there we go.
It's a sex scene, The Walking Dead, Laurie and Shane. Sex scene, The Walking Dead, Laurie and Shane.
Nice.
Oh.
They keep saying things like they've heard them before. And it's just
Oh
like,
yeah, that's what they're doing.
like after you tell them the name, they're like, "Oh yeah, I recognize it." And it's like, why? Please, like, don't remember these things.
Episode
people.
2.
It's a good scene.
Season 1, episode 2. Literally the first 5,
Yeah.
10 minutes.
Yeah, it wasn't hard to record that.
Damn.
What the fuck?
I like that.
No, it's very prominent. Oh my god.
That's death.
Has to be a death.
Come on.
He sounded. I love the transition.
The music changed. Death.
Death.
Death. The music.
I don't know, it could be like
Okay, yeah, death.
dramatic.
Dramatic.
I'll say sex.
Yeah, this is a death one.
This is a death.
Death.
I think it's a sex scene.
Sex, okay?
I think it's a death scene.
I
That's
think
a
it's
crazy-
death. Shit. I think it's death. I was like so sure that it was death because he sounded like he was gonna start like crying out
Yeah.
of like fear.
Death.
Okay.
Death.
I'm gonna say death.
I'm saying death too.
Okay.
Death.
It's a death scene, Death Note.
Bro.
Death Note.
They all sound the same.
All the
Death scene, Death Note.
Oh, what?
Light Yagami.
This is one.
That's like literally
The
a
movie?
That was the exact opposite reaction.
Okay.
Never. Death scene, Death Note.
Yeah.
Death Note.
I love Death Note. What scene?
It's Light Yagami.
Oh my god.
That last part is his last breath.
Ooh.
Yeah.
Wow. Okay.
God.
I think Mari's just into it.
That could go either way. It could be like someone saying like, "Oh, I love you," and you're dying, or
Yeah.
like, "I love you," and now I.
It's from
And
Avatar.
now I'm entered.
Yeah. What?
It's from
You
Avatar.
think it's from Avatar?
Yeah.
I've never seen that.
The
movie.
first one?
Yeah.
Death. Death. Wait. Let's do it again. I need to hear that. Let's do it again.
Yeah, let's do it again.
So that's a death.
It could go either way.
That's a death.
Yeah, it could be a death. Just because they're saying I love you doesn't mean it's sex.
That's a death scene.
Death.
100%. Death.
Okay.
Sex.
Death.
All right.
I feel like that's a death scene.
Death scene.
I'll say sex.
I thought that was like.
I'm gonna say sex too.
And then
Sex.
You said death?
I said death.
Death scene. I thought that could go either way because some people are like professing their love
Yeah.
while they're doing that. It is a death scene. Grey's Anatomy.
Yeah.
It's a death scene. Grey's Anatomy.
Yeah.
Grey's Anatomy. Oh my
I've never seen that, but I
The
think she
music
just got,
gave it
I don't know,
away.
it's
Yeah,
like
it was
on
the
top of her
music.
or
Where I was
something.
like, this could be like a first love scene, but like I don't know, it seemed more
There's no
death.
way,
yeah.
yeah.
It is a death scene. Grey's
Yeah.
Anatomy.
Is it from Avatar?
No, Grey's Anatomy.
What'd you say, Avatar?
And that is from Avatar.
Same difference. It's totally the same show.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Here we go.
There's a lot going on in that one. Sex. I'm gonna.
It sounds like the Hunger Games. Like they're running through a forest. Like, you know.
Sex. I think it's sex.
It's sex. Yeah.
Sex.
I think it sounds like it's someone who ran up on two people having sex.
Yeah,
I don't know.
I think it
That's what
does
it sounds
actually.
That's gotta be a sex scene. That's
That's
gotta be.
sex.
That's gotta
Sex.
Death.
I'm gonna say death scene.
Okay.
Death.
Death.
Sex.
Death.
Well, it's a death scene. It's Dobby from Harry Potter.
It's so it is a knife. It was a knife. It's Dobby from Harry Potter. Play it again.
Death scene.
Yay!
It's Dobby from Harry Potter.
Oh, it is.
That's it.
God.
Oh my god, it is.
That's gonna scar me. I just heard
Dobby?
his.
I'm sorry, I don't watch Harry Potter.
I think Dobby.
Dobby, sorry. Death scene. Dobby.
Dobby from Harry Potter.
Oh shit.
That's
Ew.
interesting.
Why is
Death.
It's a strategy, baby.
Okay, it is a death scene.
Oh!
Dobby.
Yep. That's after. Yep. That's when they. Yep.
Well, I'm gonna go home and cry about it. So.
Yeah.
Is that
I
the
thought
sword
I
of
heard her
Gryffindor?
say yeah, so I was like,
I thought it was Dobby going like,
Yeah.
oh, damn it.
That's from Hunger Games.
That's sex.
this group is so much more like.
He's like, if I don't get this right.
For real.
I'm gonna say sex scene. Me too.
Yeah, sex.
It's 100%.
I think
like,
it was the
they
end
just
of a sex
climaxed
scene.
and then they fell off
Yeah,
each other.
yeah,
That
yeah,
is
yeah.
100% sex.
Yes, I agree. I
100%
wholeheartedly
sex.
agree.
I don't know.
I feel like it would be death then. If it's from Hunger Games and you're actually right about that.
He said Avatar for Grey's
That's
Anatomy.
I think it's sex too.
Sex.
That's sex.
You know what?
Cole?
I'm just gonna say death.
You
for that
bitch.
one.
Sex.
It does sound like
I
Jennifer
think I heard
Lawrence.
a belt unbuckle or
Yeah,
something.
I'm gonna say sex,
I was gonna say death.
Sex, death.
Sex.
Death scene.
Oh.
It's Rue from the Hunger Games.
Oh, here's the Hunger Games. Oh no, my streak.
Alright, you should have gone with your gut. Hunger Games, Rue's death.
too. Ah! I knew it was from Hunger Games. I knew it.
Death scene, Rue, Hunger Games. Yeah. It's a death scene. It's
Yeah, but on no logic. Just whatever.
No, because like it kind of sounded like they just like killed someone and then they stepped away. You know, it could be both.
That's valid.
Like, yeah.
How the hell did you guess Hunger Games?
Because my movie knowledge, Monica.
Sick.
It did kind of. It sounded like Jennifer Lawrence.
I heard
like,
Jennifer
moaning.
Lawrence.
Yeah, and I feel the birds too, and like the
Yeah.
trees. It just gave me Hunger Games vibes.
Rue, Hunger Games.
Oh no! Why are all the silence coming? Rue made me cry.
How dare you? How
Dobby,
dare
then
you?
Rue. Dobby and Rue right after Dobby.
Last two, and they're the quickest ones, so I guess they're not a challenge. Here we go.
It was the quickest, eh? Sex.
Oh, that's it.
I think I heard like a gun.
Yeah, I heard like a clicking sound.
Like a clicking sound.
Yeah,
Wait,
so
wait.
death.
There's too much like background noise. Like,
It has to be.
it's like
death.
clanging.
Or
like
maybe
someone
it's
has,
his
like,
belt.
Weapons.
Oh! I'm gonna say death scene.
Okay.
I'm gonna say sex.
I'm gonna go with Ryan on this one.
Death.
Okay.
Sex.
I might be wrong.
Can we hear that one more time?
Sex.
Sex.
I'm gonna trust you. Death scene.
Death scene.
Oh,
Supernatural Sam.
Oh.
Damn.
Death scene.
What?
It's Supernatural Sam. Oh, he's dead.
Are we like just keep? I'm not gonna say sex.
so bad.
Death scene. Supernatural Sam. It is a death scene. Sam from Supernatural, one of his many deaths.
Oh, that's
and
funny.
It's a knife.
I think we said sex every time.
I think I did. Yeah.
I wasn't
Wow.
expecting that.
Dead.
I'm gonna say sex scene.
Sex.
Yeah. That's definitely a climax.
Sex.
Not a good one. She opera sing.
That's definitely a
Yeah,
climax.
she's ready. She's on tour. That was definitely a climax.
Sex.
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 That's definitely like a mom like in a TV show having sex or something like that.
That
because
is so specific.
I'll
She's
go with
totally
sex.
dying.
Death.
Is everybody sex scene?
I think it's
Yeah.
sex.
Hold on, we got
Yeah, sex.
Sex scene.
Oh, thank God.
Fleabag.
Good job.
Sex scene. Fleabag.
Yeah, because I heard like a moan at the end, and
I heard two people and I was like,
Yeah, that's a mom.
Sex scene. Fleabag. Good job, guys. Thank you. I think you might have. I think you guys might
Did
have.
we
I think
win?
you guys were the best. Actually.
Did we win?
It's sex scene. Fleabags.
Fleabag. Oh my God. She really needed that. She really
Which
needed
character? Is it Fleabag?
that. She really
It's
needed
the
that.
guy.
She really needed that.
Actually,
The
she
guy who
really
does
did.
it in the butt. You know that guy?
Yes,
Yeah, it's
I
a
do.
guy.
I know the exact. Yeah.
so
that
was
makes
it a
sense.
guy moaning?
No, it was a
No,
the
it's-
girl.
Oh, it was a
Yeah.
girl. Okay.
Yeah.
Was she a mom?
One of those
No.
Okay, because I haven't
like
seen
the
this
exact
one.
opposite.
She's like a necrophiliac.
Yeah. So, okay. Good job, guys.
Yay! Did we do better than them?
I think so. Yeah. You did.
Yeah.
I think this
How
video has
many-
proven that they both sound the same, right?
They do both.
Yeah. they
Yeah.
all
How
do
many
sound
total
the
are
same.
there?
It's pretty hard.
How many total were there?
I don't know. I didn't count.
What was your strategy?
Yeah.
I was gonna do like the opposite. So like if I thought it was sex, I was gonna pick death.
I knew
If
that
I
was your
thought it was
strategy.
Death, I was gonna pick sex.
All right.
You did
Good
good.
job.
Good
Thank
job,
you.
guys.
Amazing.
Yeah, thank you.
You really opened my mind to this concept.
Yeah.
I'm never
Instead
gonna
of the
see
last
a
group,
death
you could
scene
use
the
it.
same again.
Yeah.
I loved this. This was really fun.
Don't
yeah,
they
so
sound the
fun.
same?
Yeah.
Yeah.
They do. That's
They
so
really
hard.
do.
You can take that into consideration since you guys are actors. So.
Y'all use
Yeah,
that.
definitely send us this montage
Yeah.
so we can study what to do and not to do.
And also, shame on you for putting Dobby in there.
and Rue.
And Rue,
But
right after one
specifically
another.
Dobby.
Thank you.
Yeah, thank you.